Hi there, this is Dr. Ingham, and I'd like to go over sort of a stretch. People ask all the time, what can I do to help relieve or help prevent tech neck? You may or may not know that tech neck is essentially our head in a forward position from computers, from texting, and there are lots of different things that we can do that we teach here at Advanced Spine and Sports Care, like using the towels, and of course, regular adjustments and things of that nature. But there's also the pectoralis major. Pectoralis major, minor are in the front of your body. They're what we call antagonistic muscle groups to the muscles of the back. So they work sort of in tandem, pulling the shoulders back and pulling the shoulders forward. So often patients use the gym to create larger pecs, and we often sort of forget about the posterior musculature, which is our back muscles. So I want to give you a quick stretch that helps open up the pec region and helps relax those muscles, stretch those muscles, and help keep us in a more neutral position. So the first thing is you'll need a door. You'll need some sort of door jamb where you can kind of get your body and your hands in that door jamb. So the first thing that I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you put your arms in what we call a hostage position. So this position, it's 90 degrees at the elbow, and you're going to push your body through the door jamb. Relax. And I want you to hold it for a count of 3, 2, 1, and then relax. You're going to do this 3 times, 3 seconds, 3 sets. Now, the pectoralis muscle is a very complicated muscle in that it attaches at many different areas. It has a few heads. And so we need to stretch different areas or angles of that muscle to be the most effective. So again, first and foremost, you're going to start with your arms 90 degrees and slowly go through the door jamb. The second variation I'd like you to do is I'd like you to make your hands in a Y position. So same situation, you're going to go outside the door, put your arms in the Y position, and then slowly go through the door jamb. 3, 2, 1, and release. And again, 3, 2, 1, and release. So again, many different angles. The more angles, the better. So we've got 1, 2, and the last one we're going to do is 3. So you're going to make an A with your hands. So your hands are essentially in an inverted Y or A position, and you're going to do the same movement. So again, putting your hands down on the door jamb, and we go in. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now, I find it best if you alternate, so doing this one, and this one, 3 seconds, and then repeat it. Here, up, and down. So this is one simple thing that you can do to help prevent the increase or the worsening, if you will, of tech neck. Tech neck affects more and more people. I'm seeing posture in 20-year-olds that I used to see in 40-year-olds. If you've heard me say this around the office, posture is the new smoking, and it really, really is. We're now seeing so much head forward posture, and we're really, really trying to combat that by giving patients ways to not only strengthen, but also relax the anterior muscle group so that we can strengthen those back postural muscles. Remember, another great way is to use the towels. I've got another video that has the towels, 20 minutes neck, low back. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me directly.